In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for PDF files in Google Drive. To begin, make sure you're signed into your Google account and you have Google Drive open in your web browser. If you're not already there, head to drive.google.com and log in. Once your Drive loads, you'll see the familiar interface with folders and files, and importantly for this task, a search bar running across the top of the page. Focus on that search bar. This is where Drive lets you find anything quickly, and we're going to use its built-in filters to zero in on PDFs only. Next to the search bar, look for the Advanced Search button. Depending on your browser and screen size, it may look like a small downward arrow or a slider-style icon labeled Search Options. Click that to open the detailed search panel. If your window is narrow, you might need to maximize it to see the icon clearly. When the panel opens, you'll see several fields that help refine results. Find the Type dropdown. This setting tells Drive what kind of file you want to see. Click the Type menu and choose PDFs. Selecting PDFs ensures Drive filters out everything else: docs, sheets, images, videos, and returns only files in the PDF format. This is especially useful if your Drive is crowded and you just want manuals, reports, forms, or any documents saved as PDFs. With the type set to PDFs, go ahead and click the search button. Drive will run the query and display your results. You should now see a clean list of PDF files. You can open any item directly from here, right-click to preview or take actions, or sort the list by name, owner, or last modified to quickly surface what you need. If you don't see what you expect, confirm you're signed into the correct Google account and that the file actually exists in your Drive or has been shared with you. The PDF filter applies across My Drive, Shared with Me, and Shortcuts, so as long as you have access, it should appear. A quick tip: you can combine the PDF type filter with your regular keywords. For example, if you remember part of a title or a subject, type that in the main search bar first, then open Search Options and set Type to PDFs to narrow results even further. If your results come back empty, it usually means there are no PDFs matching those terms, or the file lives in another account. That's it. By logging into Google Drive, opening the Advanced Search, choosing PDFs under Type, and clicking Search, you can instantly find every PDF you have access to,